Okay, here we go. Um, Friend of mine just gifted me a castle space, additional castle elixir. So I decided to, um, I decided what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get all the houses from Mirage and put them all together. Now I haven't been able to get any of the houses yet because I'm out of crowns. So, but I've been doing all of the quests to get the badges. I've been doing them randomly, but I've been doing them slowly, taking my time, me and my wife. And I just got this castle space, so I'm going to get the first house, the the dromel dwelling. Go on by that. And also, I haven't. Um, well, also, I think I'm gonna get the mount. I haven't bought any of this yet. I'm gonna get everything at the same time. Um, Also, I'm getting the people. I'm not really worried about the gold. Um, I get more enough stuff to decorate and drops if I really need something. Guess I get it then. So I got the house. Now what I'm gonna do is go home. Cause as some of y'all already know, this pyramid that's going to show up in a second. This is my main, basically my central house, if you want to say. And most of these teleporters that you see are going to other houses. I have signs about all of them. I said in earlier videos, um, you've probably seen that. I actually tried to explain that in one of my first videos, but probably couldn't hear what I was saying. And actually, I haven't made any talking videos since then because I was trying to figure out how to get the volume right. And like I said, I have a soft voice, so I couldn't get it right. But see, all the castles have um, portals going to them. You can see the ones I have. Can't see the portal going to each castle, which is how I've been doing it. Now, if you see a portal without a castle name, um, they're not traps. Actually, they usually go somewhere I need. I hid this one back here. This portal back here, it goes to my crafting room. But that's not what we're here for right now. Right now, I got the house, and this is the this you know okay this is my arcane apartment. So I decided I think I'm going to put all of my apartments um, down here somewhere. Um, so my first move is, I guess, to go to that apartment. I'm not used to changing my houses that often, so we're gonna lock it. We're gonna make it the main house, and there we go in there. Now I don't know, for some reason. Okay, this is the Drummer dwelling. I'm pretty sure most of y'all have seen them, or maybe went through them in the just one big room. upstairs. It's one huge room. And like I said, I heard. Let me get my other teleport out of here. Okay. I heard that if you go out the door, it actually takes you to the area where you got the castle from. I'm not sure if that's true, but I'm about to test it out now. Like I said, this one was in the caravan. This is where I got this one from. So maybe it'll take me to the caravan. Let's see. Hmm. And it actually does take me to the caravan. I wonder if this seems like the door I came out of. So I wonder if going back in this door takes me back to that part. Okay, and that's pretty damn cool. I like that. Okay, so my move now is to set the teleporters. Okay, I want a red teleporter in here. I have no idea what kind of decorations I'm gonna do to the house. Anything like that right now. I need to set my destination. Oh, can't set nothing in there. I guess I'll put it in this corner. I usually don't set things too far to the corners. I'll set it in this corner. Right here. Alright. Now I set my house back to my main house, which is the pyramid. Always the pyramid. I like my pyramid. My wife bought it for me for birthday or Christmas or something. It's been a couple of years, but for one of those. But I go to my main house. And hopefully I'll be able to set the teleporter down there. Okay. And like I said, I'm setting my teleporters over here. Let's see. I'm clearing this place out. But actually, when I plan on using this area for something else. And you can't walk through here, so I think I'm gonna set my teleporters here for all of those houses. So that being said, teleporter will go right here. Oop, right there. Okay, it's set. And I already crafted my sign. So we'll be putting that right in front of it. There we go. Let's change the sign to castle name, and which that's the, I don't know the name of this house. Was it the Hood's Hideout? Calico Apartment? No. Wasn't any of those. No. I'm pretty sure it had something to do with, I don't know. No one way to find out. Open my book. And it's the dromel dweling. Okay. I should have remembered that. There we go. Okay. Welcome to Evan's Old House, dromel dweling. Alright, now that I got that one set, I set my blue teleporter. I'm gonna set it over there, so the mark for this blue teleporter will be coming out right in front of this teleporter. Okay, go through this teleporter. It should take me to my dromel dwelling. Say that 10 times, 3 times fast. Dromel dwelling. And I always got to set a teleporter back to my main house. So I you can't sit nothing in this area. That just goes. Guess this is good as corner as any. Set it right here in this corner. Boom. So now I should be able to go back to my pyramid. Back to the hood again. Now I also want me a gaming computer, so I won't have to worry about how slow this is. But yep, back to my pyramid. Like I said, I'm gonna move my arcane apartment eventually, cause I want to put something else right here. Guess y'all see that whenever I decide to do it. All right, back to my dromel dwelling. I guess I missed it. There we go. Back to my dromel dwelling. Yep, I'm gonna have some fun with this. Let's see. Guess I'm gonna need me a lot of tables and chairs, but just bought the two people, and they are gonna be sitting here talking to each other somehow. Yeah, hey, how you doing? You like that? Okay. Got them put down. I bought the mount. It's gonna go around here somewhere. Well, put it in the corner. It can go anywhere at once. Alright, let's see what they do. Okay, you rubbing his head like my deer knight does. And she look like she nervous. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, she dancing. She dancing. Dancing like a belly dancer. Kinda cool, I guess. Belly dancing camel. Got some moves too. Well, thank you for visiting, everybody. Um, if you didn't know about these dorm rooms or apartments for Mirage, there is pretty much one in each area. Each area, you have to have certain badges to get them, to get each house. Um, well, not house, because most of them are one rooms. Some of them might have more than one story, but each one has some house guests or whatever you want to call these guys right here. Each one has a house guest in each area. It has an apartment and it has a mount for that area. And also, like I said, when you go out the door, it actually takes you to that area. Now, actually, I bought this one in. I actually bought this one in a caravan, and it looks like I'm in Agrabah. Um, it looks like I'm in Agrabah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm in Agrabah. They're robbing the hoods. I will not remember how to get back to over there. That's gonna be a okay. I just gotta remember what robbing the hoods is. They got me stuck back here in the pretty deep in the alley, don't they? But anyway, like I said, that that concludes my video for the day. Like I said, if y'all want to check out the house, Um, I'm always on the in the housing tour shop. I haven't been doing too well on the rating right now. Thanks everyone. But I want to get my rating up so anybody can visit my house at any time. Like I said, I have a bunch of free items at for the Giving Tree and why did I come back? I'm trying to go back to my pyramid. And it's some kind of glitch. I guess it worked before. Now it's not working. It's some kind of. I'm pretty sure that's some kind of glitch. Maybe since I went outside of the house and came back. um, I'm guessing that's why it's glitching like that. Why it won't actually let me port back to my house. I'm gonna try it one more time and see what happens. Trying to end the video so y'all won't be here so long, but who watches entire videos anyway? I'm gonna go back to this house. And just want to test out my theory that going out the house and coming back in messes with my porter. Okay, see, it worked fine just then. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back into that house. Go back into the house. Go back. I think my internet is going pretty slow right now. My computer's going slow. Ah, I'm gonna get a gaming computer soon. I hope. But see, we know that works. So I'm gonna go out the door and come back in. I'm surprised none of my friends have asked me for help yet. I may do a small video helping somebody. Dylan been asking for help a lot. Might help him out. But let's see what happens when I try to go through the teleporter this time. Wow, why is my internet going so slow? Alright, yeah, I'm tired of wasting your time, and I know you don't want to sit here watching a blue screen. You see this enough as it is if you play Wizard101. So I'm gonna call it quits for now. I'll test out that theory a little more a little later. And have fun, guys. If you like the video, subscribe. If you already subscribed, I appreciate that.